Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja, getting ready to head into work. Today is not Thanksgiving, but when this video airs, it will be Thanksgiving. So I just thought I would take this time to not only talk about how thankful we are here at Crawl Space Ninja for all of you that watch our channel and that have hired us and bought DIY products for us, but also wanted to share with you about what we've accomplished in 2019 as well as what we're looking to do in 2020. So who would have thought when we started this company, or when I started this company in 2005, that we would be where we are today. Our YouTube channel, our DIY store, franchising, opening corporate locations. It's just been a blessing and amazing to watch how God has grown this company, and I'm so thankful to him and to all of you who have helped us grow and always kept our mind focused on putting our employees and our customers first. And we feel like if we do that, then the rest will take care of itself. So thank all of you. I just want to thank all of you for being a part of Crawl Space Ninja since its inception. For those of you that don't know, in 2005, my wife was 8 months pregnant with my oldest son, and we were struggling financially, and I started doing research on indoor air quality, believe it or not, because I excuse me, I as a child had asthma, and it seemed like every Halloween, every Christmas, every holiday, my birthday, I was always sick. So we always lived in rental properties, and we always lived in places that had seemed like bad air quality, plus my family smoked. And so anyway, it affected me a lot. So whenever my oldest, Asa, was about to be born, I decided that I wanted to make sure that he didn't have those same respiratory problems and things like that. My research led me to dust mites and to mold spores, bacteria, viruses, allergens, different things like that. And we found that a lot of those problems came from crawl spaces, basements, attics, and ductwork, which is what we try to focus on in our business. We try to make sure that everything we do corrects air quality in some way. The crawl space obviously is a hotbed for molds and high humidity, which increase dust mites and different things like that. You got basement problems for flooding, which can get drywall and finished materials wet, which creates mold. You've got the attic, which is almost like a it's kind of like, depending on if you have a lot of mice and raccoons and things up there, you might have a lot of like a litter box up in your attic. And then you got the ductwork, which goes all the way through all these places. So we feel like if we seal and insulate that ductwork properly, but it all has to do with humidity. Humidity affects a lot of things. It affects dust mites and things like that. So thank all of you for watching our channel and learning about some of the things that we've been able to educate you about. And we're going to have some new videos that focus on basements and ducts and attics, and even more crawl space stuff as it comes around. Now for 2020, we just trained. Today is our last day of training for 2 of our branch managers. We got a new branch opening in Augusta, Georgia. We're putting a branch manager in Huntsville and Birmingham, Alabama. We've got a branch manager starting next week in Athens, Georgia. So we've been able to grow corporately, but also franchises. So if you would like to learn more about how to become a branch manager, one of our sales ninjas, or a franchisee, please click the link down below and let us know your interest level. And hopefully we can create new Crawl Space Ninja franchises and corporate locations in your area, because we are looking to grow. Okay, so that's been great. We're going to be opening up 7 to 8 locations in 2019. Not opening them up, but have 7 to 8 locations in 2019, and we're looking to open 15 to 20 locations in 2020. So if you've got an interest in learning more about how to be a leader with Crawl Space Ninja, or a business owner through franchising, we'd love to talk to you about that. We're also researching some new products and methods to insulate crawl spaces better. There's a great new product out there that we're testing to see if it's more effective than foam board or not. So hopefully it's going to be easier to install and less expensive to ship, because foam board can be quite costly to ship. But we're checking on these things. We're always looking to grow and the research and development of all of our new products and methods and things like that. So anyway, just wanted to give all of you a thank you. And like I said, if you don't have Crawl Space Ninja in your area and you can help us to grow to your area, please contact us. Let us know if you're looking to do the project yourself. Obviously, you can buy just about everything you need on our DIY store now. We've got new tools and new methods that we're sharing with all of you on how to do your own crawl space. Or if you'd like us to do a inspection of your crawl space and hire Crawl Space Ninja to help you, check out crawlspaceninja.com, and basements, obviously, basementninja.com. So anyway, just want to thank all of you, and hope you make it a happy and blessed day, and we'll see you later.